I think this is a really easy way to change the oil pump in this 99 Audi A6 Quattro 2.8. So I remove 19 bolts for the oil pan, one from that line there, 4 bolts for the swing bar, and the new oil pump right here had 3 bolts, 1, 2 and 3, and 1 for the sprocket that is hanging there. So the pump has 2 bolts for the lines right here, and I just removed the sprocket and it's still hanging. It's a T45 socket, it's a 6-point star socket. So that's how I do it, and the way I put it back. There's no other videos on YouTube, so I hope this one works.